Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is the monthly color series in the Color Peach collaboration. The host is Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, and the co-hosts are Courtney at Amethyst Ventures and the Grace Life DIY. Please check out the playlist for all the amazing participants. And like, share, and subscribe for more. Here's our tablescape. A peach salad plate. A purple rose napkin. And a white dinner plate. And a gold charger to match my gold silverware. A peach tablecloth. And a purple glam table runner. It's actually a tablecloth. I just divide it in half and use it as a table runner. And this is a purple and peach centerpiece. Purple hydrangeas, purple lavender, peach roses, which was actually my mom's favorite rose was the peach rose. So you'll see those in a lot of my tablescapes now and then. And I love hydrangeas. We grow them. And peaches, we also grow those here on the orchard, our little orchard. Lamb's ear garland. And we have this little peach candle holder. A peach, you are a peach sign. And I chose to use this little green truck as the container for peach roses and peach ranunculus.